Hello, hello, and how are you? Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and hope that you are too. I'm fine, and hope that you are too. Are you all fine? Are you all happy at home?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now we are going to have some exercise first before we start our story. You're all excited for the story?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start our story, we will have a small dance. Kirti ma'am, have you joined? Kirti ma'am? Okay, so can get up everyone. Let us do our warm-up exercise. Everyone, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. I can see everyone. Some children are still sitting. Arohi, can you get up, beta? Yes, Kirti ma'am is there. Yes.
Okay. All are ready for the exercise? Yes. Stand up, everybody. We will be doing exercise. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay, we will do little warm up first. Okay, very simple exercises. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, keep your hands on your waist. Keep your hands on your waist, and we will be starting rotating on one side. Okay. Hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now another side. 1. All are doing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now keep your hands on your shoulders. Keep your hands on your shoulders. You do shoulder rotation, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, keep your hands in front. And we will do wrist rotation, okay? 1, first this side and another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now run. Do jogging slowly, jogging, slow. Speed your increase your speed little bit. Speed, fast. Now once again, slow, little fast. Okay, now we will do dance. Okay, so I will teach you few steps. Okay, first you have to see the steps. You know jumping. Okay, first we have to do jumping. Okay, like this. Are you able to do this? 1, 2, 1.
Very good, all of you.
2.
Wonderful.
Okay, now the next step is you have to stand in one place and tap your feet. 1, 2. To everybody. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. Okay, now next is you have to take the circle with the 4 steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. With the 4 counting, 4 feet, taking whole circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now the next step is you have to shuffle your feet. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, all are ready? Shall I play the song? Show me thumbs up, everybody. play the song.
Go round. Jump forward, jump back now.
And shuffle, shuffle, shuffle your feet, shuffle, 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 shuffle your feet, shuffle, 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 shuffle your feet. Jump left and jump right now. Jump left and jump right now. Jump left and jump right now. To this song and shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Let's all jump, let's all jump. Let's all jump, let's all jump. Let's all jump, to this song, to this song, to this song.
Very good, everyone. Very good. I can see all of you dancing. Very nice. Very good.
Shall I sing a rhyme, ma'am? Let them rest.
Yes, yes. All of you sit down. All of you sit
Okay,
down.
take a rest. I am tired. Are you all tired? Little bit. Okay. So we will sing a very beautiful rhyme. Okay, are you all ready? Okay. One little red fish swimming in the water. Make a fish, everybody. First, you know how to make a fish. Make a fish. All know how to make a fish. Let me see. Yay, very good. Okay, so one little red fish swimming in the water. One little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Yes, once again. Okay. One little red fish swimming in the water. One little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Okay, two little green fish. I will take green fish. Okay. So two little green fish swimming in the water. Two little green fish swimming in the water. What? Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Now three little yellow fish. Three little yellow fish swimming in the water. Three little yellow fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Now four little, which fish you want, Madhuri ma'am?
Ma'am, blue fish, blue fish.
Okay, blue fish. Four little blue fish swimming in the water. Four little blue fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Now last five little, I will take golden fish. Okay, beautiful golden fish. Five little golden fish swimming in the water. Five little golden fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Hey, beautiful children, thank you.
Thank you, Kirti ma'am. Thank you.
ma'am.
Start. Thank you. Okay, all of you sit down, and first we will do our prayer so we can start our story time. Okay, join your hands, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes. Okay, and we will sing Vakratunda. Okay, everyone? Yes, very good. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Now rub your palms everyone, fast fast fast. It should be warm. से गरम गरम लगनी चाहिए, warm warm लगनी चाहिए. फिर आप आपके आईज के ऊपर रखो and touch your face everyone. And what do we say when we touch our face? I am so beautiful. Say everyone, I am so beautiful. Touch your hands, touch your arms everyone. Touch your fingers. And what do we say? I am so creative. I make so beautiful crafts, right? So I am so creative. Yes? Now touch your neck. Where is your neck? Touch your neck. Very good. And say, I'm so polite. I will talk politely with others. Yes? Now touch your tummy. Where is your tummy? You know where is your tummy? Touch your tummy. Yes. And say, I'm courageous. I am courageous. And touch your feet. Touch your legs. And say, I am so strong. I am so strong. Okay. Let's start a session. Okay. So now I'm going to show you something. Okay. Be ready. I'm going to show you something. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Very good. Thumbs up. Very good. So now Didi has made this a surprise for you, okay? To show you all. Let's see what she has made. Okay. So today we will see animals and their feet. Now this is a riddle, okay? You have to guess which animals' feet are these. Okay? Let's see. Whose animals' feet are this? Which animals' feet? See, they are so strong and they are black. I'll give you clues. You try to guess, okay? This animal has 4 legs. Even though we see the 2 feet, this animal has 4 legs. It is a farm animal and it gives us milk. Who can it be? Yes, it's a cow. So those hooves were of cow, okay? Did you see the cow's feet, how they were? They are very strong, okay? So that they can hold their whole weight of body. Yes? Let's see the next animal. Get ready. Who is this? Which animal's feet are these? Think, think, think. Are they cat feet? No? Are they dog feet? Think, think. Have you seen such feet of dog? No? Okay, I'll give you a clue again, okay? This animal is again a farm animal and it has lot of fur on its body. And do you know what sound does it make? I can see one child with it. Yes. And it makes a sound, ba, ba. It makes this sound. Yes. Yay, it's a sheep. Oh, sorry, it's a lamb. It's a baby lamb. Yes? So those feet were of baby lamb. Okay, let's see our next one. Let's see our next animal. Ah, whose feet are these? Can you all guess? And they make a very large sound. Thump, thump, thump. Whose feet are these? Elephant. Very good. And see, a cute little elephant for you. It's so cute. See, the elephant is so cute, isn't it? Now let's see our next one. Be ready. Oh. Can you guess? कौन है ये? किसके feet है? इतने soft है देखो. मैं आपको क्लू देती हूँ, चलो। ये जब एनिमल चलता है तो वी कैन नॉट हियर. This animal goes very slowly and you will not hear him going also, passing by. And it has fur and it likes to drink lot of milk. Who is it? Who likes to drink lot of milk? Oh, it's a cat. Meow. Meow. एक बिल्ली हमारी कैसे बैठी बिचारी, एक बिल्ली हमारी कैसे बैठी बिचारी, लगे हमको वो प्यारी, अजीब वाह वाह वाह, अजीब वाह वाह वाह। वो तो चुपके से जाती झट से चूहा पकड़ती, वो तो चुपके से जा झट से चूहा पकड़ती, लेकिन डॉगी से डरती, अजीब वाह वाह वाह, अजीब वाह वाह वाह। So those feet were of cat. आपको मालूम है कैट इतना स्लोली जाती है और उसके फीट जो होते हैं वो पैडेड होते हैं, बहुत सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट होते हैं, इसलिए हमें कुछ आवाज सुनाई नहीं देती है वो जब आती जाती है तो। ठीक है, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. Whose feet are these? These are webbed feet. देखो ये webbed feet है. कौन किसके हो सकते हैं ये webbed feet? This animal actually, it's not an animal, it's a bird, and it swims in the pond. And it makes the sound quack, 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 quack. Yes, it's a duck. It's a duck. Very good. So the ducks have webbed feet. देखो उसके पैर देखो कैसे हैं, webbed feet हैं. So they can swim in the water and they can also walk. Okay, so on the ground they can walk and in the water they can swim. Okay. And whose feet are this? Whose are these cute, cute, tiny, tiny feet? I know. These are your cute feet. Yes, these feet are of all children who run, who dance, who enjoy. Yes. So these are the different types of feet today which we saw. Okay. So now we will start our story time. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Okay, let me do the setup. Hema ma'am, can you just guide me with this?
Yes, ma'am. What happened?
Ma'am, I wanted to see this. I have put the angle, but still.
Yeah, it is visible now.
Okay.
If you can lower the table's height where you have kept this, or
Yeah.
little lower. Camera can be little far,
Yes,
so then
yes,
it is visible. Yeah, fine, ma'am. That orange bridge is not.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Now it is fine, ma'am. Now it is perfect.
Okay. So, and I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today I'm going to tell you a story about Three Billy Goats Gruff. What is the title of the story? Three Billy Goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats. So this is the little billy goat. This is the big billy goat. And this is the biggest billy goat Gruff. And all these billy goats used to go and have their grass on the meadow. So one day they thought, okay, let us go and have the grass. Let us eat this grass. And they came near this grass, but they saw that this grass was very, very yellow. Can you see the yellowish side? So it was all yellow. So they did not like the taste. Yuck! It is not at all tasty, said the little billy goat. I don't want to eat this grass. मुझे ये घास नहीं खानी है. मुझे अच्छी नहीं लग रही है. देखो वो नदी के पार क्या है? See on the other side of the river, I can see lush, green, yummy, juicy grass. Can you see on the other side of the river? The biggest Billy goat saw it and he said, yes, I can see that grass, but we can't go there. We can't go there and eat that grass. Do you know? But little Billy goat was like, no, 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 I want to eat that grass. Biggest Billy goat told him, उसने उनको बताया, देखो हम जा नहीं सकते हैं, ये ब्रिज हमें क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा. We have to cross this bridge. And you know who is sitting under this bridge? There is an old grumpy troll, and he might eat us if we cross this bridge. Do you want to still go? The little Billy goat was a very strong goat. He was not at all scared, okay? So he said, okay, that's fine. I'm going to try. I want to go and eat that grass. So the biggest Billy goat said, okay, you can try. So the Billy goat Gruff, the little one, he started going towards the bridge. Can you see? And when he started walking on the bridge, his hooves started making the sound. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. But do you see who is looking from the bridge? आपको दिख रहा है? कोई तो देख रहा है उसे. Trip, trap, trip, trap. Oop, out popped the troll. Can you see the ugly troll? I'm the grumpy old troll who lives under the bridge. I'm the grumpy old troll who is under the bridge. And who's that trip-trapping on my bridge? कौन जा रहा है मेरे ब्रिज के ऊपर से? So the little Billy goat said, I am the little Billy goat and I want to go on that side. I want to eat the juicy green grass. मुझे वहां पे जाना है. Grumpy old said, no one crosses my bridge. I am going to eat you up. I will gobble you up. But the little Billy goat Gruff was not at all scared. He was very smart. What did he tell him? He told, देखो आप मुझे अगर छोड़ोगे ना तो मेरा बड़ा भाई भी आ रहा है. He is very big and you will get lot to eat. आप मुझे खाओगे तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Please leave me. You will not get anything. You can eat the other bigger Billy goat which is going to come now. The grumpy old troll thought for a minute and said, this is true. What will I get if I eat him? If I wait and watch, maybe I will get something more to eat. So he said, okay, little Billy goat, you can cross the bridge. And he again hid under the bridge. And the little Billy goat happily jumped, hop, hop, yay, 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 yay. And he started munching and he started running everywhere in the lush green grass. He was enjoying and he started eating the green grass. And from the other side, who was watching him? The big Billy goat Gruff. Can you see? He was watching the little Billy goat Gruff and he said, oh, ये कैसे चला गया वहां पे? बीच में तो ट्रोल था, उसने क्या बताया होगा? मैं भी ट्राई करूंगा, मुझे भी जाना है. तो उसने भी स्टार्ट किया. He started going on the bridge. And what sound does the goat hooves make on the bridge? Do you remember? Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. And again, who was watching him? The troll. And pop jumped the troll. And which song did he sing? Do you remember? I'm the grumpy old troll who is under the bridge. I'm the grumpy old troll. But who is trip-trapping on my bridge? कौन जा रहा है मेरे ब्रिज के ऊपर? So Big Billy Goat said, I'm the big Billy Goat Gruff and I want to eat the grass like the little one. देखो वो दूसरा भी गया, मुझे भी अभी जाना है यहाँ से, मुझे भी green juicy grass खाना है. Please मुझे छोड़ो. But the Gruff said, but the Troll said, no, 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 no. No one crosses my bridge. I'm going to eat you up. Again, the big billy goat was not scared at all. And what did he tell him? If you will leave me, there is one more goat who is going to come behind me. And he's very, very, very big. And if you eat him, you will not even have to bother for 2 to 3 days. Please leave me. And the troll thought, okay, this sounds little interesting. I won't be able to eat for next 2 to 3 days. Okay, you can cross my bridge. I will sleep under the bridge again. And the troll went, and the big goat crossed the bridge, and he also started jumping. And the little one also saw his big brother, and they were so happy. They were jumping, and then they started eating and munching the grass. Munch, 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 munch. And the biggest billy goat Gruff, can you see him? So he was watching all this. And what did he do? He thought for a while. अगर ये दोनों कर सकते हैं तो मैं भी तो जा सकता हूँ. मैं तो कितना बड़ा हूँ, है ना? मैं भी जा सकता हूँ. Even I can try. So he also started going on the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. And out jumped the troll. I'm the grumpy old troll who is under the bridge. I'm the grumpy old troll who is under the bridge. And who's that trip-trapping on my bridge? And the biggest billy goat Gruff said, oh, I'm the biggest billy goat Gruff, and I want to go to my brothers. I want to go there. Then the troll said, no one crosses my bridge. I'm going to eat you up. But the biggest billy goat Gruff had long, big horns. Can you see her? He had big, long horns, and he was very strong. So as soon as the troll came close to him, he just pushed him down the bridge. And the troll went deep down into water, and he never came back. So he went trip-trapping on the bridge, and all the 3 brothers were happily enjoying their green grass, and they were happy. And after that, no one saw the old troll. So there is no old troll. There are no trolls around in the bridge. Okay, so this is the story of 3 billy goat Gruff. Did you like the story? Did you enjoy the story? Okay, so now we will do the craft. Are you ready for your craft? We will make a goat. Because we have done a story of goats, we will do craft of goat. See, I have made one goat. Can you see? Small billy goat. Can you see a small billy goat? We are going to make this goat. Are you all ready? Chalo, let's take your material, all of you. All of you can join for this craft. Let me see if you're, get your paper. If you have made the cuttings, get your cuttings, your glue. Wow, Anna, you already made it. Wow, it is so beautiful. Okay, others also can do it now. So, we have the sheet. Yes. On this, I had drawn the horns to eyes. If you want to. Yes. Can you see? So, you can draw 2 eyes on a paper, or you can cut out. Then we want 2 ears and 2 horns for the goat. These are the horns which are curved. Okay, I have made my cuttings ready. Have you kept your cuttings ready? And we will need a glass. If you don't have a glass, that's fine. You can just use a roll. Okay, a paper roll also you can use. Okay, and on that you can stick it. Okay. See, you're having this paper cup. Everyone is having this. And this face, you must have cut out this face. If you have not, you can do it now also. That is also fine. ये शेप का आपको कटिंग निकालना है, ठीक है? And then we need to see. You need to make little slits क्योंकि ये हमें टॉप पे स्टिक करना है ना? तो अगर हम ऐसे ही कर्व करके स्टिक करेंगे तो वो फोल्ड हो जाएगा. So instead, if you make little slits, you can easily put this part. Okay. So dip your finger in the glue. Dip your finger in the glue. Yes. आपको फेविकॉल उंगली से लगाना है, स्टिकी स्टिकी भी लगे तो भी उंगली से लगाना है. इट इज वन ऑफ द सेंसरी थिंग. यस, तो आपको उंगली से लगाना है, ठीक है? See? Can you see it? Yes. Are you done till here? Show me, show me. Can see children cutting. Okay, good. Ishita, very good. I can see. Now, let us stick the eyes. 2 eyes. Again, take some Fevicol. Dip, 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 dip. Then stick 2 eyes. And for the eyes, the inner part, you can either color it black or you can stick another circle. 2 circle eyes, and inside you can make 2 black circles. Ma'am, they are all doing. I am not able to see actually. Okay. Now, ears. These are the shape of ears. आप ड्रॉ करके अभी भी कट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? तो those we will stick on the sides. इसको थोड़ा सा फोल्ड करके स्टिक करेंगे. See? Are your ears ready? आपने स्टिक किया उसके कान? Let me see who is doing. Ishani, are you doing, beta? Okay, let me see who all are doing here. All are doing? Okay. आपके पास पेपर कप नहीं है तो आप पेपर का रोल भी यूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है? It is okay. We can on the roll also if we stick all these things, It will look nice. Okay. Oops. Now we will stick the horns, the curvy horns. देखो इसको curve है थोड़ा सा, and they are very sharp, right? तो हमें ये head पे stick करने हैं. Fold little bit down and then you can stick. थोड़ा सा fold करो आप नीचे से और वही पार्ट को stick करो, वो छोटे पार्ट को. Sharp horns. जो बेबी गोट होता है ना उसको इतने हॉर्न्स बड़े नहीं होते हैं. एज दे ग्रो बिग फिर उनके हॉर्न्स स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते हैं एंड दे बिकम शार्प ऑल्सो. ओके, बिग गोट्स हैव बिग शार्प हॉर्न्स एंड बेबी गोट्स हैव स्मॉल हॉर्न्स. एंड नाउ नोज इज रिमेनिंग फॉर आवर गोट. बीच में हमें ट्राइंगल निकालना है.
And you can face towards children.
Yes. Actually, I'm not able to draw it.
Sorry.
See, a triangle nose and a smiley face. See? So if you want, you can make 3 billy goats also. I have made 3. See, this is my little one. See, this is my little one. Then I have made the big billy goat. And then this is the biggest one. Can you see? This is the biggest one. Now I'll tell you one trick. If you don't have different size glasses, what you can do is, आप एक के अंदर एक डाल दो, तो वो टॉल होता जाएगा और वो बिग भी दिखेगा. तो यू डोंट नीड डिफरेंट साइज ग्लासेस फॉर इट. ठीक है, एक को छोटा कर दो, एक को थोड़ा और 2 डाल के बड़ा कर दो और एक को 5 डाल के और थोड़ा बड़ा कर दो, बाद में निकाल दो ग्लासेस. ठीक है, तो इन दिस वे these 3 billy goats are made. You can also put a little bit of, here they are having hair, right? If you want, you can stick this also, this small piece here. These are our 3 billy goats, and then you can do the story also. Let me see who has made. Show me those who have made. Yeah, they are making, I think. Yeah, she very nice. It's beautiful. Wow, Manwa. Very nice. Advik is also done. Very nice. And Arohi has finished. Sanvi, is it Sanvi? SRKG? Sanvi hai shayad. Yes, Sanvi. Very nice. Very nice. You can also color your paper cups if you want. Padmaja, very nice. Beautiful. Anna, you made second one also? You have already made 2. You can make the third one, the biggest one. As I told you, put 2 cups, one into another, and you can have a big one. Very good, Shaurya. Very nice.
Ma'am, you can change the spotlight videos.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That also you can do.
Yes. Done. Wow.
Do it, ma'am. You can do it.
Very nice, Arikta. Did you enjoy it, beta? Did you enjoy it? Very good. Arohi, show me Arohi. Show me Arohi, I can see your goat. Oh, it is so cute. And you know what sound the goat makes? Meh. You can even close your nose and you can make this sound. Meh. Meh. Very nice, Advik. So Advik's goat, you can put pencil, you can make a pencil stand also. Yes, this goat is also nice. Samriddhi, very nice. So you're not having paper cup, you use the roll, right? Hai na, Samriddhi? Very good. Very good. This is also looking very nice.
And now you can do the screen. Talent 3.
Yes.
Nice. Very nice. Anna has made 3 Billy goats. Okay.
Yes, very nice, Anna. You can tell this story na, Anna, later with these cups. अभी आप बता सकते हो ना story? Very nice. Good. स्वरित आपको नहीं करना है? स्वरित आप ट्राई करो मम्मा के साथ. हाँ, you try ना बेटा. Very good. अनाया, वाह, अनाया का भी हो गया. Very nice, अनाया. Beautiful. And Manva is done. See, we are having बेटा don't move your hand. Aditi. हाँ ऐसे दिखाओ. Yes, stop. Yes, very good. Yes, nice. Midansh. Yes. ये कौन है? विभा. She's sleepy, I think. भूमिका, don't put it in mouth. Show me what did you make, बेटा. मुंह में नहीं डालना है पेन का कैप. अब दिखाओ मुझे. Wow. Mishti, very nice. You have got a big glass. Is it a glass or a cone? It's a glass, right? Yeah, you have got a big glass. Very nice. Netik. Very nice, Netik. Arya, did you finish? Arya Bhinde? Oh, wow. वो थोड़ा सा नीचे ले लो बेटा. The end part. वो नीचे लगाओ, एकदम end में लगाओ.
Ashvi, you can show your billy goat. Very good.
Pink.
Pink one. So beautiful. Nivisha, hello.
Pink billy goat, Nivisha, very nice. It's looking so cute. Oh, second one is also ready.
Diva, show your billy goat and big smile. This is very attractive. Avik, show your billy goat. Avik. Ishan. Vanya, show your billy goat. Beautiful. Vibha, show your billy goat. Where is your big smile? So that was a so nice session by Madhuri ma'am. We all will say thanks to ma'am. Ma'am, we have to take anything else?
No, ma'am, we can end with Vande Mataram. Long time I have not done Vande Mataram.
Okay.
Actually, I want to do it.
We'll just unmute everyone for some
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Then we will. If you want to share anything, you can say. You all enjoy.
All of you have made so beautiful photos. So pretty. Yes. You're done? Wow. I can see everyone. Okay, I'll just put it in a grid. Wow. Very nice, Laksha. Very good. Very nice. Very nice, Anaya. Very good, Anvi. Very nice, Naitik. Siddharth, show me yours. Very nice, Aryan. Welcome, beta. Before we say bye, Before we say bye, can we say our Vande Mataram? Can we do that? All of you? Can we stand up? Let's stand up, everyone. It's been a long time I did not sing my Vande Mataram. Can you help me? Can you all help me? Stand up. Very good. Hema ma'am, can you sing? You are having a very sweet voice actually.
Ma'am, together we can sing.
Yes, yes, we'll do together. Kirti ma'am, you can also join if you are there. I don't know. Okay. Vande Mataram. Vande
Vande Mataram. सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्य श्यामला मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम.
भारत माता की
जय.
भारत माता की जय. I'm proud to be an Indian. And we are safe at home.
Thank you very much, Madhuri ma'am, for the wonderful session.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, everyone.
So on Saturday, now we will have a session with parents. Okay, so parents will come. Okay, yes, you tell your mama and daddy you want to listen so many stories, and parents will come for the one session in which we will share which all techniques are there for storytelling. Okay, so tell your parents to be here Saturday 5 o'clock. Okay. Yes. Bye bye. Bye Madhuri ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you Madhuri
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, Hima ma'am. Bye, children. Bye, Kirti ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you Kirti ma'am.
Bye, man. Bye, man. Bye, man. Bye, man. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye Sharvil.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, man.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye, man.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye. Bye Vihana.
जल्दी से करो और किसी
Bye Sampada.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye Arin.
Bye.
Bye Sahaj. Okay Sahaj.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye Shani.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye Vihana.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye Arav. Bye. Bye Swarangi. Bye Manya.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Tita, missing you.
We are missing you too, bacha. Bye Sia.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm missing you.
We all are also missing you.
Nani. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. See you on Saturday.
I'm good for you.
Take up.